if you don't want to do all this bullshit math, you can use a calorie calculator or a macronutrient calculator, probably both. But if you wanted to calculate it yourself, this may be a little bit boring, so stick with me. I'll just plow through it really quick. Your maintenance calories are the number of calories required to maintain your current weight. Your activity multipliers are right here. So if you're mostly sedentary, like you work an office job and you don't really work out, you would multiply your body weight by 14. If you're moderately active, like, I don't know, you do stuff sometimes, you're not really like, you just go to the gym, but you don't do like heaps of cardio, you would multiply by 15. And if you're very active, like you have a sort of manual labor job and you go to the gym, that's very active. So training 5 to 6 days a week, you would do body weight times 16. So these numbers may not be exactly accurate, so the calculators would be the better option. If you're curious of the equation to find your own maintenance calories, it would be right here. So that is the equation. If this is a little bit confusing, to find each macronutrient, do these equations. So protein would be body weight times 0.7 to 1 grams per pound. You can pick one of those or somewhere in between. That will be your protein intake. Your fat is your total calories. So this should be determined before you do any of this, multiplied by 14 to 20%, however much of a percent you want your fats to be. 14 is pretty low. So probably like 18 to 20 is a little bit better for the average person. So that would be the calories of fat. And since we went over fat being 9% or 9 grams, where the hell is it? I can't find it. So we're just going to go back. 1 calorie of fat is 9 grams. So if we have the calories of fat and we divide it by 9, that would be your fat intake in grams. So then carbs, you would do protein intake times 4, fat intake times 9, or whatever number you got here. And that would equal the rest of whatever you don't have left to fill in the rest of your total calorie goal per day would be your carb intake. So it's a little bit complicated. Use the calculator.